Yes. Alison, I want to tell you that the school that we are going to build should have 100 acres of land for coffee production. The school will sell the coffee in the UK and other parts of the world.
Yeah.
So that money is generated for the school development. And another 100 acres of land will be for animal farming. That's cattle strictly. So that we get milk from our farm and feed it the children in the school. Because for sure, the school will develop into a boarding school. Yeah. Then 100 acres of land for crop production. That's the food crops. We shall plant maize, beans, rice, potatoes, cassava. These crops here will feed the population of the school because we are expecting something to do with around 2,000 children in that one, that school. So, for that matter, we shall try our best here to make sure that we acquire that amount of land, and the school will have it. The site will be there, all right, but this farmland, we shall look for it in far land. Like when we go to a more sub-county, shall get land there, maybe for animal production. Then we go to Koch. From Koch we can get land for coffee and fruits growing. And in other parts we shall get land for what? For the crop production. Like when we go to Krong, we can get land that can produce maize, rice, and other crops that the children will feed on it in the school. Yes.
Good.
So those are our dreams, and we want to make it come what? True. Yes. Which means that